Hey everyone! Today we are taking a closer look at AI Video Creator Effects, a powerful tool that lets you create pro-quality videos in seconds for any type of business and in any language. With this AI-powered platform, you can generate video scripts, stunning AI images, and lifelike voiceovers with just a text prompt. You can even drag and drop scripts, images, voiceovers, stock videos, and animations on dedicated timelines to create any type of video you need. Sounds cool, right? Let's jump in and see how it works. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. The interface is clean and user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. To begin, click on AI Video Editor. AI Video Creator Effects comes loaded with tons of templates and stock videos, so whether you're creating content for social media, a promo video, or even a tutorial, there's something for every occasion. You can easily browse through the library and pick a template that fits your project. If you want to add your personal touch, you can also upload your media files, images, videos, and audio right from your computer. Now let's talk about customization. AI Video Creator Effects makes it super easy to add and style text, icons, frames, images, and more. Just drag and drop them onto your timeline. You can choose from various fonts, colors, and animations to give your video a polished, professional look. You can also add background music or voiceovers with just a few clicks. One of the standout features is the AI-generated voiceovers. You can turn your script into human-sounding narration without needing a professional voice actor. Once you have the script, just choose a voice that suits your brand and let the AI handle the rest. Whether you're creating content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, AI Video Creator Effects has you covered. With a single click, you can instantly convert any video to fit the specific dimensions for these platforms. The built-in editor allows you to clip, trim, and change dimensions effortlessly, making it perfect for creating high-quality short-form content. If you need to fine-tune your content, trimming and merging clips is also super easy. The timeline editor gives you complete control over your video's flow, allowing you to cut out unwanted parts, rearrange clips, and seamlessly join different scenes. Whether you're creating a quick promo or a detailed tutorial, the editing tools are designed to make your workflow smooth and efficient. Once your video is polished and ready to go, AI Video Creator Effects lets you integrate directly with your social media accounts. Overall, AI Video Creator Effects is perfect for anyone looking to produce high-quality videos quickly and efficiently, whether you're a small business owner, content creator, or marketer. You can click on the product link below to check out AI Video Creator Effects for more info and see the demo and examples. Thank you for watching!